Do you know many people are having trouble with customizing their Galaxy Watch faces? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Connect devices. Connect your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro to your phone using the Galaxy Wearable app. Make sure both devices are paired and the app is installed. Step 2. Add Google. Register your Google account through the Galaxy Wearable app. Navigate to Watch Settings, tap Accounts and Backup, and link your Google account. Step 3. Open Play Store. Access the Play Store on your watch by tapping the Play Store app in the app's menu. Search for Facer or another watch face app. Step 4. Download app. Download and install the desired watch face app by tapping the Download button. Approve permissions if asked. Step 5. Apply watch face. Open the newly installed app from the app's menu on your watch and follow the instructions to customize and apply new watch faces. By following these steps, you can easily download and enjoy new watch faces on your Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.